Welcome to my network, CompTIA Network Plus N10-006 question review guide. Here we're looking at questions 26 through 30. Alright, so what are the characteristics of a mesh network? Every node should connect to all other nodes. Meaning, if you have, you know what, let's grab the pen, let's just draw it out. Let's say we have a node here, we have a node here, we have a node here, and we have a node here and here. The goal is so that all other nodes connect to one another. Nope, there's already a line there, but still, boop. So that way, all nodes connect to all other nodes. So if one path goes down, there's still a way to get to that node. Purpose of multiplexing could be to take one wire, one medium, and be able to splice it up so that it can share multiple communication pathways. So we can do like bandwidth multiplexing. So if we have between 5 Hertz and 10 Hertz, we may say the first 2 Hertz is for one channel, the next 2 Hertz is for one channel, and then the remaining 1 Hertz is for a different channel. Multiplexing allows us to break it up so that we can share one media. Understand how many hosts you get when we are talking different subnets. Alright, that is a typo. That should actually be... Alright, so I went ahead and fixed that. So if we have a subnet of 255.255.248, we're looking at 8 hosts. If we're looking at a subnet with 240, it's 16 hosts. If we're looking at one that has 224, it's 32 hosts. So if we have something like this, we have an IP, our subnet, and our gateway. Our subnet will let us know that we're doing groups of 8, so between like 0 and 7, 8 through 15, 16 through 23. So our gateway is a 1, so that's in the first group. Our IP is in the second group. That lets us know, wait, they're not in the same network, something is wrong. We either have to update the gateway to be in the same group as our IP, or we need to update our IP to be in the same subnetwork as our gateway. Here is another example. If it's a /24, it gives us 256 addresses, 0 to 255. If we do a /25, it gives us a group of 128 addresses, so we're going to end up with 2 networks, 0 through 127, and 128 through 255. If we're dealing with groups of 64, that'll be a /26, 0 to 63, 64 through 127, 128 through 191, 192 through 255, and our last example, if we're doing a /27, we have groups of 32. Here's the breakdown. Understand the subnetting portion. If you have any subnetting questions, let me know. I do have other videos on subnetting. Understand that TCP and UDP, they do connect at layer 4. Understand that IPs connect at layer 3. So if we're talking a segment, layer 4. If we're talking a packet, layer 3. If we're talking a frame, we're talking layer 2. Understand the steps for troubleshooting. The 6 common steps: identify the problem, establish a theory, test the theory, establish a plan of action, 4 sometimes could be split into 2 different ones. Establish a plan of action and then implement the solution. Next, verify full system functionality. And if applicable, implement preventative measures. Last, document. Sometimes you'll see these steps broken up into 7 or 8 steps. And here, that's because this one could be 2. Pay attention to that and. Or this one could be 2. Again, pay attention to the and. So, steps 4 and 5 could be 2 separate ones. Alright, that's those 5 questions in a nutshell. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment below and I'll get to them as quickly as I can. Thank you.